I'm on the road again, but I'm so.
Kazakhstan'da farkmış, fark.
Gde sam ja došao, brate?
Спасибо. Brat, Akil. Have a problem with the truck, and he was not in Kyrgyzia 4 года. 4 years.
В России 4 года был.
И нормально?
Нормально. Хорошо. Заработал денег. Что там еще? Семьи нету.
И сейчас тут был 4 дня.
Здесь был 4 дня. Машина сломалась, вот.
Блин, брат.
Вот тоже буксиром увезти.
Удачи.
Удачи всем нам.
Интересная история.
Ладно, Марат. На Киргизии увидимся, хорошо?
Да, увидимся.
Akil is a nice guy. I try to help him a bit. He has to get some truck to ship his truck. With my car we cannot do it, so yeah, I lend him something, and we're gonna see each other in Kyrgyzia. When he left 4 years ago, he didn't say anything to his mom. Now he's a bit worried that he's coming back, and everybody knows that he ran away like that. He gave me good advice that I was lucky, the police still didn't stop me, but he says they stop you and you have to give some money. It's like 500 tenge, which is around a bit more than €1. He told me do that, and if they want more, then just call 102, the police, and then they will probably stop bothering you. But 500, it's a must. And here is the Steppe. Road, and it's not very good. Hopefully I will come out soon to the main one. Okay, I start to hate Kazakhstan. To call my tenge, he was saying 10,000. He was saying, I don't know, 100,000 would be the fine, because he's showing me how much I was going, and I was trying to go very slow. Yeah, you have money. I'm like, I don't have money. 5,000, that's nothing. I cannot even buy a juice. He said, no, I have 1,000. And in the end, I gave him 2,000. He was just like speaking with me. I wanna fucking sleep. On a brighter note, 2,000 tenge is 5 euros, so it's not that bad. Today I spent 7.5 euros on bribing the Kazakhstani police.
Hunger and pain, all of those things we had really suffered, yeah. People that man run away and left lost to all.
So how was in the back when the police was here? Was it tense? But the guy in the end saw you, no?
Yeah, the other one did.
The other one was the night. There's a good cop, bad cop. It was 3,000 this time. Yeah, he was threatening a lot. He wanted to take $100. But man, I'm like pay more and more every time. Next time I hope it's gonna be less. Yeah, by the way, I had a video of him asking for the papers and stuff, and he saw the camera and he got very pissed. He made me delete it, but thanks God he didn't take the SIM card, because that would be a fucking mess.
So you think it could be?
It definitely looks older than this one was. If there is a chance that any of them is original,
This is the one.
this might be the one. I don't know anything about pottery. It's just...
Hi.
Yeah.